What's up, DC family? Babe is tight. He had to go in the house like 5 times.
No, he's going there.
We about to do some driving lessons.
Oh.
Hey, baby.
What up? I got the straws for the buzz.
Yeah.
Where my snacks at?
They in the bag. What's up, DC family? We're running some DC errands.
That's cute.
Say hi, Nyla.
It's super
Hey,
bright.
this is family. We're walking in a dollar tree.
That's how we gotta do it nowadays. That's how we gotta do it nowadays. Yeah.
Mask out.
We gotta walk everywhere.
Safety first.
What
No,
about
I can't breathe in this.
Oh, I say they got a motor on their shoulders. Walk without it, never talk about it.
Shouldn't. Oh, let me not say that. Oh, Lonnie.
Oh, while we here,
Candlelights.
you gotta give the thing for your
Dun, dun, dun.
commercial.
The what? Some props for my commercial?
Paper. Yeah.
Okay.
I see paper right
Those
now.
these are dollars.
Ooh, these are
About
pretty.
10 items here. I can't breathe. I had to, yeah.
Hey.
It's
Oh
off.
my God. Look, Ma.
Y'all hear Nyla saying look ma a
Yeah,
1,000
guess
times
what?
and me
For the
ignoring
whole
her?
for the whole month of August, we dropping a vlog every single day. A
Stop,
vlog,
you're not
a
getting
prank,
anything.
a video, any type of content we dropping every single day. You know right, baby?
Yup, every day, y'all. So stay tuned.
For the whole month of August,
Every day, right, Nyla?
we dropping a
I
vlog
don't know.
every single day. What you don't know? Okay, now I'm not gonna be in the
She not
vlog.
gonna be in them all. Yeah, every single day.
Let me
Even
see
when
my
I'm
phone, see
sleeping.
what's going on.
Nyla, your shoe.
Oh, money dropping. Hold on.
Oh no, that's the black card.
Not the black car.
Not the platinum. Are we the only ones in here? It's really quiet.
Don't leave me.
Fabulosa. Right down there. See it.
Oh, Fabuloso. What's looky? Oh God, fall stuff. I'm not ready. Halloween already? I'm not. What?
That's you right.
I didn't even get my tan yet.
We had a whole conversation. We gonna live there.
Ew! I want to do this so bad and put it on our door. I love arts and crafts, stuff like that. But really, y'all,
I rather do
like I know we in August, but
this. I like the
Wanna get
little
one? Oh,
pumpkin.
Halloween.
I wasn't ready. I'm not ready to see Halloween stuff. This is crazy.
Too soon.
It's too soon for me. Oh, Halloween, y'all. Are y'all ready?
I'm not.
Drop a comment below of what we should be for Halloween, y'all. What should the DC family be? Should we do something together? Should we do a family costume? We could be salt, pepper, ketchup, and mustard.
Nope.
Make it nice and easy.
She's not even trick or treat with us. Remember last year she was crying.
Yeah, last year you was kind of chicken noodle soupish.
Over the art stuff. Right here.
Yeah. In case y'all didn't know, but I'm sure y'all did, you can find the best arts and crafts stuff in Dollar
I
Tree
just found coloring books.
and coloring books.
Mom, can we get coloring books?
Nope.
They don't have it.
Oh, you was gonna get a plain stencil for your dad, right? Okay, Nyla's shoes. Light them up, Nyla. Light them up.
Light them up. Oh, they right there. There's a nice little.
Stomp your shoes, Nyla. Hey.
Light them up. Light them up.
Oh, look.
These are so cute, though.
I want the heart.
To
The
get a
heart is
star.
really cute. I really like the heart.
Right.
You could get a bunch of stars and then put. How big are the pictures? Are the pictures the size of the stars? Say family. Say hi. Hi, honey.
Alright.
Oh, she's just teasing, man. Cute.
They ain't got no stars here.
I know, I see. So let's just do those then. Come, Nyla, go. Follow daddy. Got
One.
got our shiznix.
Yeah. Now go to the car.
Wait, my favorite aisle, y'all. The Goya aisle.
Goya.
Look wiped out.
Viva la loca.
Goya.
Yeah.
I don't even see no Goya products, huh?
Water fountain there. Thirsty.
Don't drink out of that dusty water fountain. I wonder if they be clean their water fountains. Y'all, he love water. Like, he's a water head.
Oh.
There we go. This man, Say hi, Lonnie. Say hi. Cheesy face. Alright, y'all, we're on the way to my
Tell the vlog what you just said.
driving appointment.
What comes after September?
I said, oh yeah, October comes before September. So we got a whole nother month.
No.
I had a moment, y'all.
September, y'all. September comes and then October.
I know that. I just...
August, September, October. August,
September, October.
August, September, October.
And I said it so confident.
Not August, October, September.
I said, oh yeah, October comes before September.
Now we back. We back here. Day 2. Princess, Queen, Chyna, be beauty. Let's go, honey. You got this. Yeah. She taking my seat. Huh? Hold on. 2 batteries dead. Yeah. We out here. Tuesday afternoon, August 5th.
I'm scared again.
Chyna be beauty. The queen herself is about to drive. Okay. Alright, let's do this. Nike flips, regular day. There's some other cars in here, so she better be careful. You know, she's still learning. She got this. Oh, why you see so close? Move.
Really?
Yeah, really, man.